What's going on, pranksters? Welcome back to another unboxing video, and right now we'll be taking a look at the Lepow 15.6 portable monitor from its Z1 series. I gotta say, unboxing and unwrapping has become one of my favorite things to do lately. Tearing off wrappers truly does bring joy to me. Anyway guys, I'm about to remove the cover here, and underneath we have some protective padding. So let's put that aside, and again, like most portable monitors, we have a screen protector, which are great, especially if you plan on being mobile with your monitor. I usually am not. On the side we have some accessories such as this power block and a USB to USB-C cable to power up this monitor, and that's not all. If we lift up the actual monitor, which by the way is nicely wrapped, we have some more cables such as a USB-C to a USB-C cable and a new cable I haven't seen many of, USB-C to HDMI. Can't wait to try this out. Okay, cool. We also get cleaning wipes and lastly a user guide, which does help if we need to troubleshoot, but the setup is very easy as you'll see right now. Now guys, here is the actual monitor. It's protected by its magnetic smart cover, which is very flexible as I'm about to show you in a bit. But first let's take a look at the monitor. On the side we have two USB-C ports and no more mini HDMI ports. Above them we have the menu and control buttons. On the back we have the speakers. On the bottom we get cool Lepow branding as well. Let me just peel off this plastic wrapper so we can appreciate the screen a bit more. Now guys, there are two different ways to use this magnetic smart cover. It's all about how we bend it and position the monitor. It can be both horizontal and vertical. I'll be sticking with horizontal, but it's great to know that there are options. I love that with the magnetic capabilities, I can angle it however I want. Again, I'll be busting out my Xbox One X to play a bit on this device. So basically, I'll power on the monitor with the USB-C cable using the power block, and the USB-C to mini HDMI will directly be plugged into my Xbox. At this point, my connections have been made and I'm ready to fire up the Xbox. The monitor turns on with the Xbox. It will also turn off when the Xbox goes off. Although this is great for gaming in Full HD 1080p, for competitive games such as Call of Duty, you might not get what you want, but believe me, it will save the day if you ever need a backup monitor or a monitor you can take with you anywhere. I myself will be using this to stream movies and shows, but not just that, I can also connect my MacBook to it and it automatically becomes a second monitor. I can adjust its brightness and volume so I can work more efficient. In the description below, I'll have the link for this monitor so you guys can get your own. It never hurts to have a second monitor or a monitor that you can take with you anywhere. Thanks for stopping by, pranksters. I'll see you guys in my next video.